Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to go over common IoT cyber attacks. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Number one, botnets. IoT devices are particularly vulnerable to malware because they don't have the same security mechanisms built into their operating systems as more advanced machines and computers. They are usually functionality focused machines and typically don't offer the storage space or processing power that computers do. For example, with that in mind, attackers tend to see IoT devices as low-hanging fruit attack vectors that can easily be taken advantage of. Installing malware on one IoT device wouldn't have much of an impact, but infecting multiple IoT devices allows attackers to form botnets, which is armies of compromised devices that carry out attacks on other systems within the network. With botnets doing their bidding, attackers can command zombie devices to execute attacks like flooding the network with traffic or sending spam information, for example. In 2017, the Mirai botnet devastated a number of websites with a widespread coordinated DDoS attack, opening the floodgates for many Mirai botnet variants. High-profile botnets have also recently been used to direct computing resources toward mining cryptocurrency, like the lemon duck attack. So next we have convergence, and convergence refers to the idea that IT and IoT, also known as OT, that can include medical devices in hospitals, industrial controls, sensors, cameras, etc., are not likely to merge. However, the different knowledge, skills, and priorities of IT and operations staff need to evolve rapidly so that the best of the skills, knowledge, and perspective can be applied to problems in a collaborative manner. Now, IT and IoT departments have different priorities when it comes to security. IT focuses on securing users and data, while IoT focuses more on securing devices and network. There's a difference. IoT is also more concerned with uptime. In addition, IT has a better understanding of security threats, while IoT devices are often designed without security in mind. Next, we have invisibility. Because of the rapid proliferation of IoT device connections to the network, asset inventories often fail to keep up, hence the saying, you can't protect what you can't see. Visibility into IoT devices enables security teams to conduct detailed monitoring of the traffic that moves through them so they can identify any abnormal patterns and identify threats and warning signs of attacks in progress. Next, we have unencrypted data and lack of basic protections in devices. The function-focused approach of IoT design means that most IoT devices don't have the resources built in to support strong encryption. Although many IoT devices don't store files locally, they do transmit important telemetry information like video or audio data back to organizations or into the cloud. Without robust encryption protocols in place, that traffic is particularly vulnerable to eavesdropping, espionage, and hijacking. Attackers might replace camera feeds or stop them from recording or change important medical information or customer data. We don't want that, for example. So to mitigate this risk, the optimal solution is to protect these types of devices behind a specialized shield that includes the functions of a firewall, NAT device, authentication with additional protections from being discovered on the network. BIOS is unique in being able to support all these functions with a single appliance called the Edge Gateway. Lastly, we have the legacy and rogue devices. Now, installing IoT devices also introduces the possibility of rogue devices, replacements to legitimate devices, or physical additions to systems that are designed to go undetected while the attacker changes, erases, or steals information. Rogue devices enable attackers to create rogue access points, fracturing the network perimeter by creating a point of ingress and egress traffic that the attacker controls. So please let me know what you think about this story in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell. I appreciate your viewership and see you on the next video.